Alright, I've got something cool to show you today. This is my virtual mobile responsive thermostat. So it gives you things like weather, so you can see that nice. You can see other weathers, maybe where you're going. You can see if it's going to rain or snow, all of that. You can also convert temperatures if you'd like. But the coolest part of this is that because we're looking at this temperature and humidity and there's a drop shadow, that's telling us that we're getting actual temperature and actual humidity indoors. If that data was unavailable, the drop shadow would go away and it would simulate kind of a demo mode for this. So I'll show you where that's coming from. That is over here on Wi-Fi from this little guy right here, a Raspberry Pi Zero, and this even smaller guy, a DHT22 temperature and humidity sensor, and that is running a Node.js program, and every 5 seconds it's asking the sensor the temp and humidity, and that is displayed here. And then it's running this program, which is every 5 seconds it's getting the temperature, it's logging it right here where you're seeing that, and then there's also a little web server to dish that up over just port 80, and it gives you a JSON string with the time and date, and that's really it. Pretty cool. So we can test this by killing the server. It's now off, and then running back over here, and in just about within 15 seconds or so, when it does its next check, it should see that it's unavailable, and shoot, it didn't it didn't take away the drop shadow, but it's definitely no longer working because it's in its simulate mode. But so there's a few kinks to work out, but that's basically the gist of it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.